Are you tired of spending hours assembling furniture only to end up with missing parts? Meet the Elephance Folding Desk, the ultimate solution for your workspace. This desk requires absolutely zero assembly. It comes fully ready to use right out of the box. You can fold or unfold it in just a few minutes. Built with P2 class particle board and a thicker eye-shaped steel frame, it's significantly sturdier than your average folding desk, providing a stable work surface. At roughly 40 inches wide, it's the ideal size for a computer, learning, or even gaming, all while fitting perfectly in smaller rooms or apartments. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage behind a door or under a bed, making it perfect for anyone needing to maximize their living space. Don't just take my word for it. With over 3,400 reviews and a stellar 4.8-star rating, users are raving about the quality and appearance of this desk. One happy customer mentioned it's perfect for a small setup, fitting a monitor and full-sized keyboard without feeling overcrowded. Another reviewer spent hours researching and said they hit the jackpot, praising the quick delivery and secure packaging. It's incredibly versatile. Use it as an office desk, a craft table, or even take it outside for a picnic. It's lightweight enough to move easily. The modern, simple design isn't just about looks, it's built to last for years, offering a comfortable environment for any task. Whether you prefer rustic brown, black oak, or a clean white finish, there's a style that will match your home decor perfectly. For college students in cramped dorms, this desk is a game changer. It provides a dedicated study area that can vanish when you need the floor space. Now, to be completely transparent, some users have reported occasional damage during shipping. However, the overall consensus is that the value is unbeatable. The two small levers secure the top to the frame, ensuring there's no wobble while you type or write. It's solid and reliable. The manufacturer has taken steps to ensure secure packaging, so your desk arrives in perfect condition with no scratches. Compared to other brands that cost less but arrive with missing parts or poor machining, the Elephance desk is well worth the investment for the peace of mind. The setup and breakdown are so simple that anyone can do it. It's functional, attractive, and saves you time and headaches. The top surface is smooth, waterproof, and a pleasure to use for writing or as a mouse surface without needing a pad for some. So let's recap. First, the no assembly feature is a lifesaver. You can go from unboxing to working in less than 2 minutes. Second, the heavy-duty steel frame and high-quality board provide a stability that you just don't find in most foldable furniture. And third, its space-saving design makes it a versatile addition to any home, office, or apartment, no matter how small. Upgrade your workspace today with a desk that's as flexible as your lifestyle. It's a smart, affordable, and stylish choice. Click the link in the description to check out the Elephance Folding Desk on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. See you next time!